Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-5015 Intellect Torque Tester, a revolutionary instrument designed to transform your torque measurement and testing processes. This cutting-edge tool combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the diverse needs of calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. With its intuitive interface, the AWS 5015 ensures effortless operation and minimizes training time. Simply navigate through various settings and options with just a few button presses. The plug-and-play technology enables seamless integration and reduces setup time. Simply connect the transducer, and the AWS 5015 will be ready to provide accurate and reliable torque measurements. The AWS 5015 offers a wide range of measurement units, including AWS, in, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM. This versatility makes it an indispensable tool for various applications and industry standards. The AWS 5015 provides three distinct modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak. Track mode allows continuous monitoring of torque values, while peak mode captures the maximum torque applied. First peak mode records the first peak torque value, making it ideal for testing click-type torque wrenches. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.25% of the indicated reading when used with AWS transducers, the AWS 5015 delivers precise and dependable torque measurements. Its high resolution ensures that even the most subtle changes in torque can be detected and analyzed. The AWS 5015 is powered by NIM rechargeable batteries, providing 8-10 hours of continuous use. Elevate your torque measurement and testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS 5015 Intellect Torque Tester. Its intuitive interface, versatile measurement units, and exceptional accuracy make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking reliable and precise torque data. Invest in the AWS 5015 and experience the future of torque testing.